Yo, what's happening? Hope we're blessed. Um, yeah, get the match in there. Another week. This week we're going to be talking to you guys about a cable management's mad, isn't it? About a portable charger. This is the Anker MagSafe wireless charger that I have. Hold tight tech jammer. He plugged me with this one, and it's Qi2 compatible, which actually I didn't realize until just now. It's got a little design on the middle there, you can see it, but it says Qi2. But this is this is one of those everyday essentials. Reason I like this one in particular is because it's we've come a long way from when we first started getting the MagSafe portable chargers, right? So this is more on the thicker side. Yes, you do get some nice sleek and thin chargers, but with that, the compromise is the charging speed, the actual battery capacity itself. Um, but yeah, this one does jobs. It will probably give me one full charge from like 0 to 100%. Um, and I can rely on that quite confidently. So as I just top up throughout the day when I'm going out and about, I just literally pop this in my pocket or throw it in a bag and we're nice. But yeah, it folds out like this. So I can actually use this as a little tripod if I want to, or just pop this down on the table, um, whatever I need to do, which is quite good. So I like that. Um, so that's a convenient thing about this particular charger. The other thing is quite good. It's got a little USB-C power delivery socket on that side there. So um, you can have this on the back of your iPhone, charging your iPhone, and then plug like your watch cable or whatever other cable into this, and be charging that device as well. Or you can charge this um, power bank and then still be MagSafe charging your iPhone or whatever else as well. So yeah, man, it's quite good. You got a little button on this side here, and when you press that button, you've got LED lights on the end. So I'll just quickly show you. Shows you, you see it's currently out of power at the moment. So you can just charge it up. I'll leave a link to this in the description below. Um, I'd be interested. I haven't actually checked the specs on the website itself, but I'll pop the link to this below. And I'd be interested if this itself can fast charge, because again, that's another added benefit. But yeah, man, one of those tech essentials. Have it with me all the time. Definitely recommend it. I've used this for the last 2 years, and it has not had any issues. It's taken a drop. It's pretty durable. Got some scratches on there, but yeah, it's pretty minimal otherwise, man. So that's it. Easy.